Hey kids, ready for an exciting undersea alphabet adventure? Let's dive into the ocean and meet some amazing sea creatures who will help us learn the alphabet. First, let's meet Andy, the amazing angelfish. Andy loves to swim in circles and show off his shiny scales. Can you say A for angelfish? Great job! Now let's find Betty, the bouncing blue whale. Betty is the biggest creature in the ocean, and she loves to splash around. Say B for blue whale. Good job! Look, there's Charlie, the clever clownfish, hiding in the coral. Charlie's favorite letter is C for clownfish. Can you say C? Awesome! Next we have Daisy, the dancing dolphin. Daisy is always flipping and jumping out of the water. Let's say D for dolphin. Fantastic! As we swim further, we see Eddie, the eager eel. Eddie loves to wiggle through the seaweed. Can we say E for eel? Wonderful! Fiona, the friendly flounder, is next. She loves to camouflage on the ocean floor. Can you say F for flounder? Great, there's George, the gentle giant squid, waving his long tentacles. Let's say G for giant squid. Excellent. Look at Holly, the happy seahorse, gracefully floating by. Say H for Holly, the happy seahorse. Fantastic. Next up is Izzy, the intelligent octopus, showing off her 8 arms. Can you say I for Izzy, the intelligent octopus? Kids, you are doing amazing. Stay tuned to meet more underwater friends and learn the whole alphabet. Please like, share, and subscribe. Looking for more fun? Click the link in the description to visit a website with exciting, engaging items perfect for young children.